Good evening, traders. This is Daud from Elliott Wave Forecast.com. Welcome to this video about Palladium futures, in which we are going to take a look at the long-term cycles and also take a look at the cycle from 2016 low and explain to you what we are seeing in the market right now, what are the key levels, and what is the future forecast. So back in June 2018, we presented a video blog. I will post a link to that in the description so you guys can take a look at that as well. When during this pullback, we said it was a corrective pullback. We are correcting the cycle from this January 2016 low, and after that, we should see more upside. Why we said that? Because we saw an incomplete sequence of the 2003 low, and it was calling for more upside towards 1228, 1239 area. Okay, so we saw that the pullback finished. Palladium has already rallied more than 50% since this low that it saw back in August 2018. So it has rallied from a low of 815 to 1240, 647 area. So it's a more than 50% rally here. All right, and now you see this blue box that we are entering. It is basically the 100% Fibonacci extension of the first leg up from the all-time low. So if we measure the rally from 0 to the 2001 peak and projected higher from the 2003 low, you can see that we have reached the 100% extension. This blue box basically is the area between the 100 to the 161.8% extension of this the cycle from all-time low to 2001 high, projected higher from this 2003 low. We have also reached the extreme area of the 2003 to the 2014 cycle. Okay, however, the rally from here is still incomplete because from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 swings, and we are currently sitting at the 0.618 extension of the first leg up from the 2016 low. All right. So this tells us, even though we have entered this blue box, obviously it's a profit-taking area. All right, and it tells us that we should still be expecting more upside here because we have an incomplete sequence from this 2016 low. All right, and this area extends from 1239 to 1915. I believe buyers need to be cautious here because the profit taking in this blue box can produce a pullback, but we believe that any pullbacks they should stay above this low of August 2018 and result in more upside. Okay, and now on the next chart we will take a closer look at the cycle from this 2016 low. So this is the low here, 2016 low, and you can see that we are labeling the first leg up from 2016 low to this January 2018 high as a zigzag. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 C. So this is a 5-3-5 structure followed by corrective pullback. This is the one that I was referring to earlier when we said this was a corrective pullback. It should find buyers and result in new highs. So we can see that it already made new highs, and now we are not only sitting at the 0.618 extension of the red W and X cycles, which is usually the area where swing number 5 will end in a 7 swing sequence, but we are also sitting at the big 100% extension from the of this 1996 to 2001 cycle and then 2003 to 2014 cycle. All right, which means that we can see a pullback from this area ideally between 1244 to 1344. See this dip here, but as we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swings with the divergence in RSI, which means that the momentum is diverging and the cycle should not be over yet from here. So we should still expect a pullback in wave X and higher again. And we believe that we are in the areas where profit taking can happen that can create a pullback. Of course, a very short term, you can still extend within this short, small blue box here, but it's risky chasing longs at this stage. Remember, we are at the big equal legs from 1996 low and then the 2003 low. That's the reason why it would be wise to wait for this wave X pullback and then use that as the next buying opportunity. Looking for a move towards 1503, 1664. That's going to be our strategy. We'll be looking to buy the dips in this pullback here in 3, 7, 11 swings, when the pullback begins. And as far as this low is in place, this view will remain valid. Only a break below this level will negate this move towards 1503 area, which is still within this blue box. Of course, if we get above 1915, then this will become 1, 2, and then this has become wave 3. Until then, it is an ABC. All right, because only above 1915 will suggest that this is wave 3 from the lows. So that's what we're looking at. It is best to wait for this pullback here and use that as a next buying opportunity, looking for a move towards 1503 area. And be wary of a pullback now because we are at the 0.618 extension from here and also the big equal legs from here and the 2003 low. Even though we do understand the equal legs of blue AB now is at 1380 1378, but it is risky chasing longs here. Yes, we can see some more upside in the 1 and the 4 hour time frame, but the better trade at this stage would be to let the cycle end, and then we expect the some profit taking will create this pullback and some selling here, the big equal legs, and then we believe the buyers will step in again, looking for a move towards 1503 area. As far as prices, they stay above this low of August 2018. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Uh, we are currently running a promotion in which for the new year, in which we are offering 30% off on all monthly plans for new members. So feel free to check that out, and you can take a look at our services here, try out one of these plans, 30% off, and we are also offering 25% discount on all our educational content. So feel free to take a look at that as well. Thank you. Have a nice evening, and we'll see you around.